Welcome back to Child Living. I guys are doing absolutely fine. So yes, pandemic has made me watch some shows which I am definitely not proud of, and I actually watched the original show which like aired 10 years ago when even we were actually in school. But this thing is definitely not something which I would recommend anybody watching. But here we have another second part of the Gen Z shows and sort of making a reaction video because I even saw the first kind of season where initially how if you have seen Gossip Girl, the original one, you know what happens in the end and who was the Gossip Girl. But here they are kind of focusing more on the teachers and the teachers are the kind of Gossip Girl over here. But here, let's see what we have for the second trailer. I am definitely not sure if what is going to happen and what we would be going through. But here we are. Let's start with the video.
Trigger warning, followers. I promise this post will not be pretty. And all the tips you've given me. This story is anything but over. What happened was just an echo. We're friends.
No, friends do not do what we did.
We're not friends. We're nothing.
We're turning against each other. Gigi is trending. The New York Times, CNN.
You could ruin a kid's life. Sooner or later, we all go to war. What's going on? You're being canceled. You're ready to take back what's rightfully yours. Ending her. Once and for all. You'll be happy I didn't stay away for long.
Okay, so definitely one thing which I can say, which I just like from the video, is liking or remembering to like the voice of Kristen Bell from the original Gossip Girl. And after season one, the way it ended into the rivalry between the half sisters, I don't think so they could go any further from here. So just to give you a quick recap about season one before, or even if you want to wish, if you even want to watch this second part of the Gossip Girl, it is just like the rivalry between the Upper East Siders staying in New York and Gossip Girl. The original Gossip Girl portrayed a kind of a rivalry between this private school, which is called as Constant, where people went, like where the students went, and there was friendship, there was rivalry, there was everything. There was every kind of drama. But in this specific show, it is more like they are trying to create some kind of content because today's Gen Zs is everything about content, everything about Instagram, and everything about how popular you would become. So based on those premises, initially the based not this is not even slightest clear to the original show. Although there are references with the original show, like Nate, like Blair, or even Serena, but on and all, it is kind of the teachers who are trying to dominate the students by trying to post and create these kind of controversies. So season one was kind of all about that, and now in season two, I don't know how worse they could go with respect to the original story, but I don't know if I absolutely have nothing to watch, then definitely I could try giving this a chance because in once you are hooked up to a show and based on all the content which is going to come across during the post months, we would definitely require some kind of a chick flick drama which could take off your mind and just give you some kind of a hopeless thing to watch. So probably that would be the good time to just start this show. And if you haven't seen this show at all, you can watch the original show, which is still there on Amazon Prime. All the seasons are there. It kind of features today's biggest star, Blake Lively. She is one of my most favorite, and again the Dan Humphrey, who is now in the U. So overall, if you are looking to think, if you have seen every good thing, or if you absolutely don't have anything to watch, and if you are just looking to watch some kind of content which is more related to the teen drama or more kind of a Gen Z drama, then your last resort should be this. In no way in your sane mind, where you have better options to watch, you could watch this show. So all in all, that is just a quick recap that season one was based upon how teachers were taking revenge about their students, or how teachers were being gossip girls and doing this kind of things to their students when they were trying to create controversies. And now season two would be heading even into more reality. I'm not even sure whether they even care to even take the real time consequences into basis. I'm not even sure they would take the COVID storyline or anything. I absolutely have no hopes, but definitely whenever we would be having that kind of time where we absolutely don't have any good shows to watch and we just need a kind of a chick flick drama, we would definitely watch the show. So that is it for the quick reaction review and a kind of a 1 minute recap of season one, where there is a wannabe Blair, there is a main most of the characters are based on some light versions of the original ones, and all in all, it is more related to teachers versus the student. So that is just a quick premise and a quick recap of season one. And the season two would based on I'm not even sure what it would end up as. So thank you so much for watching until here, if you are still watching, and that is it for the video. Let me know what you think about the show, and if you have seen the original show, do let me know what you thought about that and who was your favorite character. And do you really think that at the end we got to know who was the real Gossip Girl? Was that really justified, or you were expecting it to be somebody out of all the entire cast? So thank you so much again for watching until here, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.